Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video. And for the first time in a while, a bullish video on Fetch or ASI, the Artificial Superintelligence Alliance. But no, I can actually be bullish about this. If you follow me on X, which I would welcome you to do so. I already posted about this yesterday, all right? Because we saw a very, just in general, very clear bearish structure on Fetch. This is what it looked like yesterday, and now you can see that we have actually been able to break above that. We gained a lot of momentum. Like Fetch was one of the strongest performers after the election, but also in the day before the election, like in the speculation phase. Very strong, a lot of momentum, which you can see right here. Last 12 hours, a ton of momentum came in, but the momentum started to increase over the course of yesterday already. And now we have, or at least it looks like, the 12-hour time frame still has to close in about 1.5 hours. But it looks like we are going to be able to actually break back above this significant level between 1.25 and 1.34. And like I said, one of the things that I like a lot about this is that this is the first time in quite some time that we actually see some momentum build up again. Now, it's not all long positions. There's quite a lot of short positions in there as well. But just in general, this is activity, all right? Activity in relatively bullish market circumstances. Shorts in these market circumstances, if we actually do not see a sell the news effect after the Trump win, can also get hunted very, very easily. So that is also bullish. But for now, we just need to see that confirmation, right? We had that bearish structure. I think it is very likely that we're going to break that bearish structure. But then the question is well, can we actually, after breaking that, can we find enough momentum to start some sort of an uptrend? Or is it more likely that we will consolidate first before moving up later? Because one thing you can see, for example, right now is that I would say, looking at AI coins, yes, they've gone up quite a bit over the last 24 hours, but most altcoins have. And there's no, I could look at this, there's no clear, at least as far as I realize, there's no clear strength for AI specifically. No, you can see it right here. Here you can see all the narratives, and AI is definitely not the leading narrative right now. And that is, I do think, like every time that we saw Fetch be very, very bullish, there was always some sort of a strong AI narrative as well. And because of the lack of that, or the lack of that narrative right now, I unfortunately do not think it is most likely we're going to be bullish. Like I said, we also still have that risk of a sell the news effect. But no, so for right now, technically, I'm very bullish on Fetch. Like I said, we gained some momentum. It looks like we're going to reclaim a very important level at 1.27.5 cents. That's the main level, I would say. So for now, I would say it's most likely we'll be able to hold that, all right? To break above that, hold it, but I don't think it's most likely yet that we will start some sort of an uptrend. I think we would need either a more sustained bullish Bitcoin, so basically that the risk of some sort of a sell the news effect goes away, or becomes very, very low, or we need some sort of an AI narrative. So for now, I'm bullish, but cautiously bullish. I'm not buying Fetch yet. I think it's too early for that. Potentially, if we get a very strong liquidation spike into 1.25, I will try some sort of a scalp. It's a possibility. I mean, it's always a possibility, but I do think, like Fetch, it is on my watch list now. But like I said, I would say this is most likely. And the main level to watch is that level between 1.25 and 1.27.5 cents. As you can also see historically, that is by far the strongest and most important key level. Hold that, and we're golden to eventually get an uptrend. But for now, I don't see enough indication yet to actually get that uptrend. But those are my thoughts. That's sort of thing you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care, and bye.